and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy for another alternate card using elements from the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Celebrating in Color. There's no in color in this one. I'm using one of the card bases with the gold edging, and I'm using the Best Wishes greeting from the kit. What I've done is I've taken the artistic die from the artistically inked bundle. I've used gold foil paper and I've put adhesive backing on it. And I am going to adhere this and then make the card this way. This might take just a little bit. I've run this through. I ran it back and forth about 4 times. And I also used the, as you can see, the sponge and the brush on this to help the pieces all come out. Now, I do have more. I had to join my adhesive paper on the back, so I just need to find where that piece is so that I can peel it off as well. There we go. And if I do it slowly, sometimes the pieces that get left behind actually peel out with it. So there we go. I've got a couple of little hangers on. I'm not actually going to worry about those. I am going to put this down. Now, the Best Wishes will cover up some of it, but I don't want it to cover up the flowers so much. So I'm going to put this down right there like that. And because it's got the adhesive backing on it, it sticks right down, and just give it a push with your hands. Make sure it's all down, and that looks spectacular just like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the Best Wishes. And put it on the card. I'm going to use my large dimensionals for this. Let's pop this up here so you can see it. And I'm really quite excited about this one. I love the way it's come together. I wanted to use the gold. They've done such a nice job in the Paper Pumpkin kits this month with the card bases. They're just beautiful. And so I wanted to really highlight that and use it. So I am going to line this up along the bottom like that and just drop it down. And there we have a really pretty Best Wishes card. This would be perfect for a wedding or just a really fancy thank you or get well card or something like that. You could add some bling if you wanted to. I'm going to leave this plain as it is. I think it's really pretty. So again, it's using the artistic die from the artistically inked bundle, gold foil paper with adhesive backing. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate cards.